Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to create mockups for like your website mockup or any books. So for this example, I'm going to make a book mockup and it's going to look something like this. So I will show you how to do that. So you want to go to DIY book covers and this is completely free. You go to book design. I want the 3D mockups, so I select here and you simply just choose the design that you want on your phone, tablet, or whatever you want. And then you click next. I chose this one. And then you're going to upload your image. Browse. Use this one. Click upload. And here it is. And then you just click PNG or JPEG. Over here. Click next. And then PNG or JPEG. And then you will get this. That's it. I hope this helps. Have a nice day.